It's a remarkable new polyester film called Mylar. No. It's completely different. But, what does this have to do with you? To begin with, how tough is it? Well, an acrobat gives the net on a trampoline a pretty rugged beating. Here, we've replaced the canvas net with a sheet of Mylar, only 1/10 the thick, and it's as strong as ever. We can see for ourselves. And its impact strength can stop a 6-pound bowling ball at full speed, to begin with. In short, Mylar's physical properties make it the strongest. And now, let her roll. And now, some plastic and metal trinkets. You now, see what we mean? Yes, Mylar is resistant to most solvents, alkalis, and physical, thermal, chemical, thermal. Yes, physical, chemical, thermal, electrical. For the answer, let's look at an artist's conception of a Mylar molecule. In the manufacture of Mylar, the arrangement of molecules is changed from a helter-skelter pattern, such as this, to a more orderly arrangement in which the long, strong chains are firmly fitted together, giving the film unusual properties. Yes, Mylar's properties are right in its molecules. Here are its two basic raw materials. These qualities give us walls that keep their original colors, protected by this new washable film. In fabrics, glamorous Mylar metallic yarns are stronger, non-tarnishable, withstand washing, dry cleaning, and pressing. While we're talking about moisture, moisture. And the superior strength of the new film can be put to use in tapes for strapping or bundling goods from pallet-sized loads to small retail units. Smelling. Yes. Window cartons, all kinds of textiles from baby garments to sweaters, women's gloves and hose, blouses, dress shirts to pajamas and towels, stationery, an almost infinite variety of new and interesting packaging applications. Yes. yes, 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 yes.